Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about a very interesting job. This is a form filling job. This can also be told as a reviewing job. You have to write a review about some few things like apps or websites, something like that. It is very easy. For this you do not have any personal knowledge or you need not be a user of that app or website or the platform. I will tell you a trick to learn how to write a review without having so much knowledge. For this, you do not have any technical knowledge. Anyone can apply for this job. You can be a student, housewife, or a retired person, or if you want a part-time income, this is a very good job opportunity. As let's get into the video. This is my blog daytodayreads.com. Please press work from home. There are a lot of job articles I have written and links are inside each article, so you can go through them. Today we are going to see how to earn from home by reviewing apps. Please press this link. You can go through the article. I have given the pros, cons of reviewing jobs, how to do it, all the details I have given. Let's see how to start working. Press join here and this website will open. This is Capterra. They have a lot of software and services related to that. So they are looking for reviewers. You can see that Capterra is a very reputed company and they are working with top rated companies like Money.com, Adobe, Asana and Confluence, Zoho and all. So this company is very trusted and genuine and you can be sure that you will get your payment on time. If you want to know about Capterra, you can just go through this. Let's see how to work here. Here you can see write a review. Press this link and see they have given. If you know about a particular software which you want to review, you can type it and get it here. Else, come down. Here you can see there are also categories in which you can choose and write. If you have a specific category in mind, you can choose that. Else, here there are so many apps and websites which you can review. Here there is QuickBooks, Jira, Asana, Websuite, Box, HubSpot. See, like this, there are so many websites. If you press see more products, there are so many, it will be coming. So there are so many, you can just review whichever you want. See Adobe, Workfront, Breezy, SumUp. These are all very popular ones and you can write a review about them easily. I'll just press this Adobe Workfront. It is not a problem if you don't know about anything about this app. I will tell you how to get details. First, you have to write first name, last name, email address, and your company name. You can specify any company name or just your name again, and your company size, industry. Even if you're not working, you can just randomly give a name. That's not a problem. And you can say how long have you been working. You can give free less than 6 months. How frequently do you use? Just give it as weekly or monthly. And what capacity do you use? For this also you can choose. If you are new to this Adobe, you can choose anything randomly. But answer is very much necessary. So even if you don't know anything about that app, please you have to select some answer. Then what is your role in using Adobe Workfront? You can say simply I am a user and press next. Once you have filled out the basic informations, here there is star rating. You can just press whichever you feel it is good. There is no specific requirement about how many stars you have to fill. So you can fill it accordingly. Then similarly, you can rate these things. Just specify a word or two. That will be enough. It is not necessary to write a detailed answer. Just 1 or 2 words will also suffice. See here, how does the pricing for Adobe Workfront compare to similar products? You can press it. Would you recommend? You can say yes, then press next. Once you press next, you will come to this page, title your review, pros and cons. and describe your overall experience. For this, if you don't know about this product, just go, just copy this and go to Google. You can start typing that app and reviews. So there are a lot of reviews will be coming up, like work friend reviews. You can press this, and many people would have reviewed about the project or the app. You can just go through them. See, everybody have given so many reviews. So you can just go through, like you can see here, recent work friend reviews are given. So you can play this video also, or you can just see what people have written about this app. You can just read it and write. You need not copy them, but write in your own words. Just read this and rewrite. That's all. It's very, very easy. It is not necessary that you have to have full knowledge about the app. So you can fill all these. And did you switch from another product? This is not this is your choice. You can press anything for these two and click this and submit. That's all. It will take hardly 10 to 15 minutes to write a review, and for each review they are giving up to $5 to $10. So you can review. First I have shown you so many products here, and so there are so many products to review. You can review anything and everything. So for each review they are paying nearly $10. So this is a very, very easy form filling job. And as I told you, even if you don't know about the product, you can just Google it and see others reviews and write accordingly. I hope this video has been helpful. Surely try it. Thank you.